Let's get into our next crystal deep dive, emerald. Emerald is known as a stone of love, wisdom, and harmony. At its core, it carries a soothing, nurturing energy that supports both the heart and the mind. It's a stone that brings calm to the emotions, while also encouraging clarity in your thoughts and spiritual awareness. Emerald is deeply connected to the heart chakra, making it a powerful ally for emotional healing, compassion, and connection. It works gently to open the heart, while helping you feel supported, balanced, and at ease within yourself. Emerald is also known for its ability to increase self-esteem and calm the emotional body. It helps you release overwhelm, bringing you back to a place of steadiness and inner confidence. It's associated with the month of May, a time of renewal, vitality, and new life. And it is also linked to the zodiac signs of Aries and Taurus, supporting both the passionate drive of Aries and the grounded stability of Taurus. Emerald teaches you that love, whether for yourself or for others, is strongest when it is built on truth, balance, and emotional awareness. Let's get into the geology of emerald. Emerald is a variety of beryl, a mineral composed of beryllium aluminum silicate. What gives emerald its signature rich green color are trace amounts of chromium and sometimes vanadium within its structure. Emerald's formation is actually pretty rare. For emerald to form, two elements that don't usually occur together, beryllium and chromium, have to meet under very specific conditions. Beryllium is typically found in granitic rocks, while chromium is more commonly found in metamorphic rocks. So for emerald to develop, these completely different environments have to come into contact. This rare combination is what makes emerald one of the most unique and sought-after members of the beryl family. Beryl itself comes in many different forms, but emerald is the only variety that forms with chromium or vanadium, giving it that deep, vibrant green that sets it apart. Emerald crystals grow in a hexagonal structure, often forming long shapes within veins or pockets of rock. Some of the most famously sourced pieces are from Colombia, known for producing some of the most vivid and highly prized emeralds in the world. Other sources include Brazil, India, Zambia, Pakistan, and Ethiopia, each producing emeralds with slightly different tones and clarity. On the Mohs hardness scale, emerald ranks between a 7.5 and 8, making it very durable. Emerald is a crystal formed through rare conditions, bringing together elements that don't often occur in the same place. Looking to deepen your relationships and strengthen your intuition? Then you need emerald. Emerald is for evolving. Emerald is known as a stone of love, emotional balance, and conscious growth. Its energy is both nurturing and empowering, supporting the heart while encouraging clarity and honesty. One of the simplest ways to work with emerald is to carry it with you. Keeping a piece in your pocket or bag allows its energy to stay within your field throughout the day, gently supporting emotional awareness and balanced decision-making. You can also wear emerald as jewelry, especially near the heart. Necklaces and pendants help keep its energy close, encouraging compassion, openness, and deeper connection in your interactions. Emerald can be powerful in meditation. Allow its energy to guide you into a space of emotional clarity, helping you release what no longer serves you while strengthening your connection to yourself. In your home, emerald can be placed in areas connected to relationships and personal growth. Across history, emerald has been seen as a stone of wisdom, love, and divine connection. It's been valued for thousands of years across many cultures. In ancient Egypt, it was associated with fertility, rebirth, and eternal youth. Cleopatra was known for her love of emerald and used it as a symbol of power and protection. You can incorporate emerald into your daily rituals, holding it while journaling, reflecting on your emotions, or setting intentions rooted in truth and growth. Be sure to cleanse your emerald to keep its loving energy pure. However you choose to work with it, emerald invites you to open your heart with awareness, stay grounded in who you are, and allow yourself to grow with intention. Let us know which crystal you'd like us to do a deep dive on next.